Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to create a second Gmail account. To do this, open your browser and click on your Google account. Here, click Add another account and then click Create Account. Enter your first name, last name, click Next, then enter your date of birth. Of course, I'm just making something up for this video. Click Next and choose what email address you want. Click Next and create a password. Click Next and continue the account creation on your phone. This is the computer version, but it's the same process on your phone. Open your browser. Now I'll show you what it looks like on a phone. Click on Gmail, then click on your account. Yes. Here, click Show More Accounts, and then add another account. Click Create Account for personal use, and repeat all the previous steps. That's it. After that, the account will appear here, and you can switch between them. There. And of course, you'll have your Gmail inbox. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you later.